Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the iZoom video, and we will only use one picture to create this video. How's that possible? So don't worry guys, because this time I'd like to show you how to create it with the pics first. So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step you can do is download or install the pics first from the Play Store or the App Store, and you can simply open this application. And also make sure that you have already done the sign in or the sign up or the login from your Google account, and this Pics First will give you or provide you 60 credits over here as the new user. And since we would like to create the iZoom video, then we can go to the template over here. Then we can just simply click the iZoom on the searching section, and you can search it. Then we will use this template, iZoom challenge, and after that it will direct you into the gallery to select the picture that you would like to create the video. So here I will select the picture, and as you can see, this iZoom challenge will need 20 credit, and since we have 60 credits, so it can be enough to do the generation. So I will continue to generate it. I will click create, and after that this application will take you a while to generate the video. And then while waiting for the generation, then you can simply explore the template or the creation of another user. And as you can see above over here, that we have the information of the notification that the video is ready to use. So you can click this notification and you can click this video. So that's all guys. You can also share this video into the several social media over here, and you can also simply download it if you would like to save it into your gallery or the Google photo, and then you can simply remove this video if you don't need this video furthermore. So that's all guys. Don't forget to try it by yourself, and if you find this video helpful for you, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another tutorial video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.